Okay, I don't know if you can see well, but here's Rocky. Say hi, Rocky. And here it's the sun setting. Come on, we're in the shadow of this beautiful land that I live by. It's too dark. Can't see it. Green hills, mountains in the background. Let's see if we can get a picture now, baby. Can't see it that well because of the sun. I mean, no sun. This is too pretty not to record. Too beautiful. Too beautiful, Rocky. This is beautiful land. I love walking Rocky. Say hi, Rocky Top. I'm being a good boy. I'm walking right. Yeah. Come on. Oh, I wish you could really see this, how beautiful it is here. We're coming up on the strawberry field. It's no longer strawberries for the moment. All this beautiful land. Come on, baby. Come on. Rocky, come on. Good boy. We've been walking a while now. You hear me panting. What do you smell? What do you smell? You smell a kitty cat or a skunk? Hold on, baby. Yeah, you see some of it? Come on. Come on. Here's the radio station. Plays 60s, 70s, and 80s. Like 200 feet from my house. Let's go over here for a minute. Come on. So I get ran over. Look at this. So beautiful. So pretty. He's so pretty. Come on. Come on. This is where they always have the strawberry festival. My house is right through those trees. Yeah, I can't get a close up, can I? Let's see. Say hi, Rocky. Okay, let's stop. Hold on.